Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple and fast setup process for the D-Link AC2000 Wi-Fi extender using the WPS method. This hassle-free method takes just a few minutes and requires minimal effort. Follow along to get your extender up and running. Let's begin. Start by unboxing your D-Link AC2000 Wi-Fi extender and ensuring all necessary components are included. Next, select an optimal location, ideally midway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi signals, to ensure maximum coverage, stable connectivity, and optimal performance. Now, insert the D-Link AC2000 Wi-Fi extender into a wall outlet and power it on. Wait patiently until the power LED turns solid green, signaling that the device is fully powered up and ready for the setup process to begin smoothly. Find the WPS button on your main Wi-Fi router, typically located on the front or side panel. Press and hold it for 2 to 3 seconds until the WPS LED starts blinking, indicating that the router is now in pairing mode for connection. Press and hold the WPS button on your router for 2 to 3 seconds until the WPS LED starts blinking, indicating that the router is in pairing mode. Within 2 minutes of activating WPS mode on your router, press and hold the WPS button on your D-Link AC2000 extender for about 3 seconds. The WPS LED will begin blinking, signaling that the extender is establishing a connection with your router. Give the D-Link AC2000 extender about 2 minutes to establish a connection with your router. Once successfully linked, the WPS LED will turn solid green, indicating a stable connection and that the extender is now ready to enhance your Wi-Fi coverage. Now, unplug the D-Link AC2000 extender and relocate it closer to the weak signal area for better coverage. Plug it back in and wait for the signal LED to turn green, confirming a strong and stable connection to your Wi-Fi network. If you experience any issues or need assistance, our team of expert professionals is ready to help. Feel free to reach out for support and guidance. Contact us anytime at 1-323-507-3713, and we'll ensure a smooth setup process for you. And that's all. You've now successfully set up your D-Link AC2000 Wi-Fi extender using the WPS method. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments below.